Still looking for ideas to decorate your home? Here is a quick and easy decor idea that you can use. What you'll need are some skewers, styrofoam balls, glitter, glue, paper, like regular craft paper to line your table, and a little brush. This is what you do. You'll take your skewer, look for the middle of your ball, and you will put the skewer into the ball. Now this is a great thing that you can do with your children. This is my son Jaden. He's 4 years old and he's going to be helping me.
Jadon.
I said Jadon, didn't I?
Yes.
It's Jadon. I know, I gave you that name. Okay? So anyway, this is what you'll do. Here, hold this, Jadon. And we are going to put the glue on the ball. And we'll spread the glue all over the ball, making sure that
If there's no glue, there will be no glitter or sparkle.
Exactly. If there's no glue, there will be no glitter or sparkle. So we have to make sure the whole ball is covered with glue. Now, Jaden, you're going to hold that ball for me. And what color do we want here? Silver, blue, green, red. Which one do you want? Quickly.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, great. So we are going to use blue glitter. You're going to hold the ball over the paper, and I'm going to lightly dust.
And I have to turn
yeah, you have to turn the ball while I lightly dust, because we want to make sure we cover all the areas. And hold it up so I can get the bottom and around the sides.
And don't forget there.
Yeah,
and don't forget there.
And when the glitter is finished in the little bottle, don't worry, because we have lots down here. We just take this and we finish pouring the glitter on. It's a little messy, but it's a great little project to do. And see, the whole ball is covered. Now what we want to do next is just to gently turn the ball and shake it so that the excess glitter falls off. And there you have it. You wouldn't know it's a styrofoam ball that's under that glitter. And then you can just stick it into floral foam. You can put it in any arrangement, even a floral. Bye.